Welcome to Auto Millennium Group, the largest automotive factory in the Middle East. With the capacity to receive over 1,000 cars per month and powered by more than 1,000 dedicated professionals, we set the benchmark for innovation, precision, and customer care. At Auto Millennium, we believe every car tells a story. That's why we provide complete transformation and premium care all in one place, from interior and exterior modifications to stitching, embroidery, engraving and hydro dipping, from flawless paint and refinishing to expert detailing, polishing, ceramic coating and PPF. Whether it's luxury, performance or protection, Auto Millennium combines craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology to bring out the very best in every car. With world-class facilities, an expert team and a passion for excellence, we've become the trusted choice for car enthusiasts and luxury car owners across the region. Auto Millennium Group, where innovation meets passion.